Hello, once again, you are welcome to Financial Education Platform, where we share principles and opportunities that can help people to do well financially. I am the Finance Minister, Charles Adogo. Now, we have been dwelling on becoming a money magnet. How to become a money magnet. I've looked at some of the traits you need to develop to help you become a money magnet. And in our previous video, I told you that you need to apply principle A to help you become a money magnet, which has to do with asking of questions. When you know how to ask questions wherever you find yourself, it will open you up to start attracting money in that environment. Today, we are looking at principle B, which you can adopt or apply to help you become a money magnet. What does principle B stand for? Before I tell you about principle B, can you please share this opportunity with others? Press that share button now. Please, I beg you, press that share button. Don't be selfish. Let's share these opportunities with other people. Let them know that there's a platform like this where they can be learning principles that can help them to do well financially. Have you done that? I guess you have done that. Thank you very much for doing that. All right, can you also subscribe? If this is your first time of watching me on this channel, kindly press that subscription button. Just subscribe now. All right, and like this video, because what I'm going to be sharing with you today will be of value to you. If you have any comment to make, also make any comment. I'll respond to your comment. Thank you very much. Now let's go into what we have for today. Principle B that can help you to become a money magnet. B stands for buy and sell something. Buy and sell something. You can become a money magnet by selling something. Something that is valuable. Something that is demandable. Okay? So you think of a product you can buy and sell to meet the needs of individuals in the environment, or meet the needs of various organizations, or alternatively meeting the needs of the government. All right? The more you sell, the more money you will make in life. Okay? Everybody making money today is selling something. They're either selling a product, selling an idea, selling a concept, or selling a business, or selling a unique product. You want to become a money magnet? Think of what to buy and sell right where you are. There is something that people need in that environment that is not found in that environment. So for you to make money in that environment, look for that thing that people really need. Something that has high demand. Okay? Something that people cannot do without. Something that people would like to be using from time to time. Something that can meet the needs of people on daily basis. If you can look for such kind of product, you buy it from somewhere else, you bring it into that very environment where you find yourself and begin to sell. And then you start attracting money in that environment. All right? Everybody making money today, attracting money today is selling something. You know the reason why you're not making money? Because you are not selling anything. Don't just buy to consume. Get into the process of buying and selling. That is where money comes. Because money is an exchange for value. You give out something to somebody and they pay you back in return with money. So what are you selling? Look for something to buy and sell right where you are, and you start making money. All right? People have need of food. People have need of meat and fish in that environment where you are. So if there's no meat, nobody is selling meat or fish in that environment, you can think of how to go and buy it from somewhere else and come and sell in that very place. All right? Most probably where you are, people have need of cars, they have need of clothes, they have need of land. Just think of what you can buy and sell, and that will make you to become a money magnet. There's no magic about making money. All right? Everybody making money today is buying and selling something, or selling something. So what do you have to sell? Look for something to buy and start to sell. It could be what people eat. It could be what people wear. It could be something that is readable. It could be something that is drinkable. It could be something that can bring about entertainment. Whatever you can do, whatever you can sell, Okay? Think of that thing. Buy it and begin to sell. And I tell you, you start making money. Some years ago, I found myself in a particular community, and I thought of going into a particular business. And what was that business? The business of real estate. So you know what I did? By the grace of God, I had to buy some properties in that very land. Bought some properties and I began to sell. I bought, I sold. I bought, I sold. And I started making money. As a pastor, people were amazed. How can this pastor be making money? What is the secret? I don't rely on offering. I don't depend on members' tithe and offering. By the grace of God, I went into real estate business, buying and selling of land. You hear that? So as I buy, I sell. I buy, I sell. And I started with one plot. I bought one plot of land and I sold it. After selling it, the money that I gathered from that transaction, I used it again to buy 2 extra plots. And then I sold those 2 plots again. I gathered enough money again. I bought 4 plots. And I kept on buying and selling, buying and selling. And today, by the grace of God, I have some acres of land. I have in Port Harcourt, I have somewhere in Warri. Just by buying and selling. So you want to become a money magnet? Think of what you can buy and sell right where you are. People have need of something. Think of that thing. Go and buy it and sell it. And then in less than no time, you start magnetizing money. Before I wrap it up for today, kindly like this video. If it is your first time of watching me on this channel, you can also subscribe so that after now, you can get notifications when my next video will be out. Alright? And kindly share these opportunities with others. Press the share button now. Let others know that there's a learning platform like this where they can learn principles that can help them to do well financially. Once again, I say, remain on top. God bless you.